This is an issue where the icons of audio files are just gonna randomly disappear. So, first of all, what's actually happening is that, so for the icon to actually show as an audio file, it will show the media player icon. So it's this app right here that will play your audio files back, and that's the default app for most of these audio files. So they'll just randomly go blank. And first of all, what you want to make sure to check is media player, which and go to the app settings. Then when you go to the app settings, scroll down and make sure you have repair. Make sure you click on repair, and when you press repair, it's gonna try and fix any issues that is going on with the app. And when that is repaired, when you go back and restart File ex or Windows Explorer, so go to Task Manager, scroll down, and down there should be, or actually it might be up here. Yeah, so click on Windows Explorer and then press Restart Task, which will restart the thing. Then that will fix the problem. If it doesn't work, there might likely be another problem, but try doing it again or try restarting File Explorer again.